Bye bye. Well, yeah, I guess so. Put this in.
That would mean the thermostat stuff, wouldn't it?
Well, you turn the key. What's the thermostat show?
That's what I just asked you if you wanted me to do it.
Well, you can turn it. No, start it up.
No,
Just,
I
yeah.
would start it.
Yeah, just turn the key.
It's low. It's where it starts out.
Okay. Now, as we saw in a previous video, she was smoking really, really bad. Check the oil, and it's not white. It's got no. It's not milky, so there's no large amount of fluid in the engine oil that we can see right now. It's just originally when you saw the first video there of getting it out, there was about an ounce, maybe 2 ounces of antifreeze in the bottom of the oil. Okay, didn't say how long to shake it, but the dosage again. Bottle treats cooling systems from 2.5 gallons, which is 2 quarts, to 5 gallons, which is 20 quarts with a full one. And this is an 11 quart system.
Shake. Shake it up real good. Yeah, shake that booty. I had to make sure I got that.
I'm recording
I know,
now.
I had to make sure I got that in the video, because you decided to do it, so I got to make sure I did it in the video. Make sure people know what you're doing. Behind the scenes of David Crosby.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
We need to make a video called
of Dana's.
All the screaming and the yelling and the nonsense.
Of Dana's travels. Oh, yep. Okay. Okay, in this case, radiator cap's right here. Crazy little camera to stand up. As you can see, I am putting a whole bottle of pre-solar, huh? You have to make sure she's going to take the whole amount, which it will, because I shut it down the other night when it was hot, and it blew a good percentage of fluid out, and I didn't put any more in it. Take it all. Yep, there we go. I just got to get some air out of it. I'm just going to take the whole bottle, which is great. So I don't have to take any fluid out. All right, we took the whole bottle. Get air out of it. Go. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit I'll add a little bit of antifreeze to the bottle. Make sure I get all of it. Shake it up again. Make sure I get all that resin out of there. This is top off the radiator. Well, it's pretty much topped off. And my radiator reservoir is full. Okay, so that takes care of the whole 33 ounces of bar. We will stick this back in here. Put the cover back on. Alright, play with the radiator hose a little bit. That's kind of, you can see that suck down a little bit more. So it says the top off the system. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Mixed. It's already mixed. What? I've already done that, dear. Thank you. Yeah. There's another thing. The coolant. When you buy this particular coolant, you got to add water to it. It's cheaper than buying the antifreeze. It's already got water added to it. You're paying for water, so you know you might as well get $2. Get 2 containers, go 50-50 with water and antifreeze, and you'll be good to go. So now, as it says, go ahead and it's all cooled down. Shake the bottle well, remove radiator, fill it, radiator and reservoir to proper levels, and reinstall radiator cap. So we will add a little more fluid in here. Hey baby, what's going on? Okay, I'm topping off the radiator. It's still going down. When I'm squeezing the radiator hose here to get air out of here. I hear it squishing. She's probably low on antifreeze. And it still went down some more. You're not really gonna overfill it. So just gonna make sure we get a good move around on that. Okay. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, should be pretty up there. This will probably help keep the Okay, stayed up there. That's where I want it. Okay, well, here we go with everything they boast about. Gonna go ahead and crank her up. You ready? Go ahead and crank it. Start her up.
Start it.
Start it up. Okay. Hey. Okay. Crank through. Soon we got to get it to crank through. Once it starts, and it'll be good. Probably had fluid in the system. Let's get her running. Let's see how she's shaking. So this is going to be the perfect candidate. And come back here. You can just see it spitting water out, but that's condensation for the moment. Get out of there, get out of there. But we can see the white. And it'll probably start, the white will probably start to increase here. And the motor's still running kind of rough. So we want to run it. Start getting that stuff to flow through there. I've got a flashing check engine light, which means it most likely, of course, was misfiring. And now we're going to let that. To work itself through, so time the timer. We'll run just a few minutes longer than, of course, but we'll go ahead and run the stopwatch here. We'll run for 16 minutes. Okay. So she's kind of slowed down a little bit.